So, improving on our existing program, we are introducing the concept of the if-else statement in PHP. Again, this is very simple. All you need to do is understand the format. You start with the pattern we started with when creating our if statement. Only notice that right beside the closing curly bracket is the else. Else is another keyword in PHP. So you can think of this else as a default action. What else does is check or make sure something is done if something other than the condition specified in the if actually occurs. So after the else is followed by the curly bracket as well, where you specify the action or actions to be performed. Alright, I want to stop talking right now and show you how this works. So all I will do right here is say else. As you can see, it's a keyword followed by the parenthesis. Alright, so within this parenthesis, all I will just simply do is echo the following statement. You are not an adult. Simple as that. So why do I have to do this? This is because we've only specified the condition that age is greater than 17. But what if we have a number less than 17, like 16, 15, 1? What would you say? Aha. The else statement will actually help us take care of that. So enough of talking, and as you can notice, our 12 is still here. So I could just come here and refresh this, and you notice it says you are not an adult. So in any case, if I supply a number greater than 17, like 55, save this, refresh this, it says you are an adult. So this is how it gets interesting. So if you really want to have greater flexibility over your code, you want something else to occur, you want something to happen in case the conditions you have actually specified or a condition you have not thought of at all, you want it to be handled, the else will take care of that for you. So the if else statement in PHP affords you greater flexibility. It makes it much more interesting. But something else that even makes it much more interesting is adding something else to this statement. Oh, so you're curious to know what it is? Then join me in the next video tutorial.